Problem statement is we need to write a function which checks whether the given string is a palindrome or not. First, let us understand what is palindrome. Palindrome is something like when you read from left to right or from right to left, and the string should remain same. For example, if you take madam, madam, if you read from left to right, it is madam. If you read from right to left, madam, again it is madam, right? So this is a palindrome. Suppose if you put a here, then it is not a palindrome. So here it is starting with m, and from right to left it is starting with a. So we need to check if the given string is a palindrome or not. Let us write a function. The function name is supposed to be palindrome, and it will take a string as input parameter, and then return if it is a palindrome or not. Let us not fill the function now itself. So we have only one statement which returns true. We'll fill the logic later. This is a function. We'll come to the main program. We need to take this string from the user. That is, we need to write an input statement. Input string equal to input. So the input statement is meant to take input from the user. We read the string here, and then we are checking if it is a palindrome or not. If palindrome of, and this is the function name I'm supposed to call here. If it is a palindrome, then print. Let us write a formatted print statement here. The given string is a palindrome. Else the given string is not a palindrome. So here what we are trying to do here is we are calling this function. If this function returns true, that means this value will become true. If this is true, then this gets executed. If the function returns false, then else will get executed. So here we are writing the string is a palindrome, the given string is a palindrome. Here we are writing the given string is not a palindrome. So we are passing this input string to this function. Let us fill this function. Actually, there is one built-in method in string itself, like reverse str equal to str of colon colon minus 1. If you write like this, then it will reverse the string, given string. That means if the given string is like Japan, then the given string is Japan, then reverse string will become NAPAJ. That is right to left. Okay. So now we have to compare whether the given string and reverse string are same or not to check if it is a palindrome or not. If str equal to reverse str, then let us return true. That is, it is a palindrome. Else return false. So here parenthesis is redundant. So what we are trying to do is we reverse the given string and saved this in reverse str, and then we are checking if str equal to reverse str. If these two are equal, then it is a palindrome, so we are returning true, else we are returning false. And let us add some help message here. Enter the string. So let us enter madam. The given string madam is palindrome. Let us enter another string which is not palindrome. The given string is not a palindrome. So this is one way of doing it. Since we have used the built-in method to reverse the string, this is the simplest way of doing it. Let us do it by using logic. Like, let us comment this out. Let us first find out the length of the given string. This is the length of the given string. So we have to iterate. We need to take the characters from right end. Let us take an example. Suppose Japan is the string. Then to reverse the string, what we need to do in the for loop is, in the reverse string, we need to append characters from right to left. First we need to add n, after that a, after that p, and then a, j. Like this we need to assign characters. So for this what we need to do is, the index of the str will be this one, right? First, see here the string length is 5. Length is 5, right? So 5 means, that means like the indexing starts from 0, right? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the index of n is 4. So to get the last character, what we have to do is reverse str equal to, we keep appending this string with one character each time, reverse str plus, and then we have to copy the last character first, right? Str of string length is 5. 5, right? 5 minus, this is sorry, index, this one minus index. See here string length is 5, right? So the range function will produce the indexes like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. First let us consider the first iteration. This is 0 to 4, right? First when 0 comes, the index will become 0. Then in the next iteration the index will become 1, something like this, right? So in the initial case index is 0. So here a string length is 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. So if you see str of 5, there is no such index, right? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 4 is there. Though the length is 5, but if you see the indexes, only up to 4 are there. 4 is there. So what we have to do is, we have to subtract one value from here. Then the index in the first iteration, the index will become 4, right? This is 0. So 5 minus 0 minus 1, 4. In the next iteration, this will become 1. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Like this, in the subsequent iterations, the indexes will be reducing. Like so what we are trying to do here is, in each time reverse str will get characters from right to left from the string. That's what we are doing here. So at the end of the for loop, we will get all the characters in reverse order. Let us print this string so that we will understand this. This is reverse str, right? Let us comment out this. See, let us enter the string as Japan. Sorry, we did not call the function here. See, it printed in the reverse order, right? NAPAJ. So this is the print. Sorry, this is the print we are seeing, reverse string. So it reversed the string, right? Now we need to compare this string and this string. If both are same, then it is a palindrome. Otherwise, it's not a palindrome. Let us do that now. That's what we are doing. We already have code here. See, in each iteration, see, initially we declared it as empty string. Let us put this ahead of for loop. So we declared this as empty string, and in each iteration we are copying characters from the original string from right to left, and then after end of the for loop we are going to have the string in reverse order. Now we are comparing if the given string is equal to the reversed string. So if these two are equal, then we are returning true, otherwise we are returning false. Let us test this program. I mean, this logic remains same. I did not change this. This is a palindrome, madam. And see, the given string madam is palindrome. The given string Japan is not a palindrome. So let us remove this print which we have added so that in the output it doesn't come. See, the given string Hyderabad is not a palindrome. Okay, this is the end of the program.